I lost 27 kilos way back in 2022. So I basically started at 90 freaking kilos. I was a dirty bulk midget and I got down to 63 freaking kilos, shredded, ripped to the freaking bone, all natural. But what happened to all that fat? So basically fat in fat cells, which is also called as adipocytes, is stored as triglycerides. So when you, my friend, when you are in caloric deficit, hormones like epinephrine, norepinephrine, glucagon, growth hormone all activates an enzyme named lipase which breaks the triglycerides apart. Triglycerides get broken down into fatty acids and glycerol, and these are released into the goddamn bloodstream. Fatty acids are used by the muscles and organs while glycerol goes into the frickin' liver where it gets converted into the goddamn glucose. To address the goddamn nuances, the fatty acid activation occurs outside the mitochondrial membrane where this reaction occurs. Fatty acid plus coenzyme A plus ATP gives rise to fatty acyl-CoA. Then a bunch of complex reaction occurs, and then inside the frickin' mitochondria, the beta oxidation starts. Basically what happens is fatty acyl-CoA gives rise to acetyl-CoA plus NADH plus FADH2. Then this acetyl frickin' CoA enters the goddamn Krebs cycle. So as we all studied in the goddamn biochemistry, Krebs cycle produces CO2, H2O and the goddamn freaking ATP. So basically the start product fat, which is present in the goddamn double chin love handles, is converted into the final product CO2 and H2O during a goddamn fat loss. 84% of lost fat leaves your body as CO2 aka exhaled breath. 16% leaves as H2O in the form of urine, sweat and humidity in breath. So you, my friend, you literally breathe out your goddamn fat. So if I lost 27 freaking kilos way freaking back in 2022, I lost 23 kilos of that goddamn fat in the form of CO2 which I exhaled out, and around 4 freaking kilos which got converted into water which I excreted it out in the form of sweat, urine or humidity in the goddamn breath. I think you learned something from this freaking video. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी